Ever wondered what happens during a myocardial infarction? You might know it better as a heart attack. Let's break it down. Picture this: your heart's pumping away, but suddenly, a blood clot decides to block a coronary artery. That's like roadwork on the highway to your heart. And what's the result? Severe chest pain. It's like a tight, squeezing sensation, and it might radiate to your left arm, neck, or even lower jaw. Your heart's way of sending an SOS. But here is the cool part: medical advancements offer hope. Angioplasty. Imagine unclogging pipes for your heart. Bypass surgery, like building new shortcuts. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that like button if you found this heart-to-heart helpful. Until next time, keep living, keep loving, and keep your heartbeat strong.